Welcome to another review video, guys. So in this video we're going to review this gaming wireless mechanical keyboard from Amazon, of course, and this is the GK89 gaming keyboard, and we will review this today. So let's get started. We will unbox this. So upon opening the box, what can we see? Okay, so in the box, guys, we've got some papers. We've got the keyboard extension, I think. So this is the keyboard extension, guys. The keyboard itself, and of course the key remover. So in the keyboard, guys, I noticed that we have some extensors. So if you want the keyboard to be a bit higher, there is an extensor in there, and also we've got a power button there. It's on and off, so we will turn that on. Now with the keyboard, guys, we have this USB micro USB keyboard that has a thingy. I don't know what that is. I think that is a regulator of electricity. Okay, we're going to install the extensor. That was easy. Anyways, guys, this keyboard, guys, is a refurbished product of Amazon, so it's discounted a bit. I think it's 15% discount compared to the brand new one. And this is the keyboard key remover. Let's take one key for sample. Yeah, that was easy. Okay, and in the keyboard, yes, we've got a blue key. That's what you can see there. Oh, so that's how you remove this thing. That's the way how to remove it. Now let's turn it on. So we got something in here. The function key, and here's the light thing, guys. So yeah, that's function 1, that's function 2, that's function 3, and function 4. So function 4, guys, you can see that every time you click something, the light comes out. But I prefer... Oh, so there's a turn off button. Anyways, guys, if you don't want anything to... Yeah, if you want your battery to turn off or to stay a bit longer, yeah, I think that's the thing that you have to click, the last function, and then I'm going to put the lights on, and the light guys will turn off every 5 seconds, but if you want to retain it on or to maintain it on all the time, you just have to put it into charge mode. So yeah, when you charge this thing guys, LED light doesn't turn off. And now let's try about the keys. And it's nice. The clicking sound is nice as well. Yeah, there's clicking sound guys, and I like it. Yeah, that's it. And what else do you want to know? I think the gaming thing. Yeah, it works. Clicking all buttons at a time, it works. Yes, and it's functioning very well, and that is very nice for gaming. So I think guys, this is just a cheap keyboard, which is a nice one for gaming. It's a bit heavy compared to ordinary ones, but I think it's worth it. It works pretty well for me guys. So that's it guys, that's just our simple review about this Amazon product. So if you like this video, just leave a thumbs up and subscribe to see more of my videos. Thank you for watching.